So guys, for the first method, you want to unplug your microphone and then plug it back in. For the second method, you want to unplug your microphone and then plug it into a different USB port. For the third method, if there's a mute button on your microphone, make sure that it's not selected. Make sure that it's unmuted. For the next method, you want to head over to search and type in find and fix problems with recording sound. Click on it and then click on next. Wait for this to load, and if it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. And now for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in sound settings. Click on it. And then once you run this, you want to scroll down and then click on more sound settings. And then once this comes up, you want to go to the recording tab, find your microphone and double click on it. And then go to levels, make sure that it's not muted, and make sure that you have this turned up. And then click on OK. And now for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you run this, you want to expand audio inputs and outputs. Then you want to find your microphone. You want to right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatic for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for the device installed. And also, if your microphone comes with a software like my one does, you want to go to your software, and then go to your microphone, and then go to settings. Make sure that your microphone is up to date through the software. Hopefully one of these methods would have fixed your problem.